so I ain't been driving this car in forever, so I don't really know what happened, but the paint started cracking up on this, so I'm about to go ahead and take it off. I might repaint it later, but for now, we're gonna go with no spoiler. So this 3M is good and strong. So yeah, just one big fat run of 3M all the way down this, but held on pretty good. It's been on there, I think it's been about a year now. Yeah, I think I got this last summer, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all this tape off, and then I'm just gonna wash it because, as you can see, it's been a lot of dirt piling up in there. Plus the fact the car hadn't been washed in a couple months, so it's been kind of sitting up. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get all this cleaned off and get this thing back to looking good. It's been a minute, so stick around. Okay, so this stuff is a little tougher to get off than I thought, but I'm still getting most of it off. Once I get all the big chunks off, I'm gonna come back with some alcohol and a paper towel, and I'm gonna scrub the little light spots like this. So that should get all of the small residue off, and then I can wash this thing. But yeah, in the meantime, just got to get these big chunks off of here. So yeah, definitely a little stickier than I thought, but you know, it is what it is. All right, so I got everything for the most part cleaned up. I got a few spots, those, and where we at? Yeah. So when it was laid on there and I painted it, yeah, some of the tape didn't cover these little small spots, so it's a little bit of primer and white paint overspray. So I gotta work with that a little bit more to get it off. But for the most part, everything is cleaned off from that spoiler, so we're back to square one. And yeah, still looking good. The lenses on these headlights look a little dingy. I don't know if it's the lens or if I'm assuming it's the lens, just kind of yellowing out. But I might be redoing these or getting another set. Kind of playing with some ideas, not sure which one to go with, but yeah, should be switching that up, I don't know, before the end of the summer, I guess.